Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to Butuan City.
Amazing!
We're going to Mindanao, guys. Sorry, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. So come and join me. If you wanna know what's gonna happen next, just keep on watching. And by the way, may kasama pala ako dito. Hello!
Hi guys!
Ano masasabi mo?
I'm excited.
So, eto siya, guys. So, this is my cousin. What's your name?
My name is Kim.
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 So, ano bibili natin ngayon?
Let's go for coffee.
What coffee?
Anything you like. Anything
You
that's non-sugar.
Bakit ba yun ang boses mo?
Mahina ba?
Excited ka, girl?
Shy. First time kasi ako dito sa vlog ng cousin.
So guys, bibili muna kami ng coffee here at Boss Coffee. So see you later. Bibili tayo ng low calorie nga drink dito sa Boss Coffee, guys. So guys, we're finally here in the plane and we're bound to Butuan City. So see you later, guys. So ano nasasabi mo?
See you later at Butuan Airport.
Yeah. Touchdown here in Butuan. Hey guys, we're finally here in Mindanao. Ano masasabi mo?
Jet lag.
Ano?
Jet lag.
Jetlag. Jetlag daw, guys. Parang ilang hours nagbiyahe. Charot lang. Hey guys, so we're finally here in Mindanao. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cabadbaran City and I'm with my cousin.
Hi everyone. So we're very exhausting with the flight, right?
Oh my God! Saan ka ba galing, te, sa States?
Yes.
Abangan yung aming ganap bukas. We're going to River Tugnaw bukas, guys. So, bye! See you tomorrow, guys!
The next day.
Morning, guys! Rise and shine, baby, for today. It's our day 1 here in Cabadbaran City, guys. And we are going to River Tugnaw later. So, see you later, guys. I'm going to update you sa aming mga ganap. Guys, we're finally here in the river. So, magsiswimming tayo mamaya. So, I'm super excited because it's my first time here. So, come and join me. Let's go. Let's go swimming, guys. Hi, guys. We're here now in River Tugnaw. So, this is my background. Oh my God, it's so very nice here. It's magical. This is one of the gem here in Cabadbaran City. Wow!
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we're done sa River Tugnaw and nandito kami sa cafe nila, sa Zaki's Coffee House. So, try natin yung kape nila, guys, kung ano yung lasa ng kape ng Cabadbaran City. So, come and join me. Let's go. Pasok na tayo. Guys, we're now here in the cafe. So, we have our drinks here. What's your drink, ate?
Matcha latte. Amazing!
Yours, what's your drink?
Of course, Spanish latte.
Delicious.
Of course, it's coffee, my favorite.
Yeah. And this is my drink, guys. It's matcha mango. Oh my God, it's my first time to try this. And masarap siya. Diba? Ate Clar? Yes. I so love this drink, guys. It's only for 130 pesos. Diba? Affordable lang siya. And ganito na karami, guys. Sulit siya. So if you were visiting here in Cabadbaran City, you should try here in Zaki's Coffee Shop.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's our day 2 here in Mindanao. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jurassic Blue Waters Beach Resort in Carmen, Agusan del Norte. So we're going to explore the place, guys. Titignan natin and we're going to swim again. So come and join me. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin doon, guys. So follow me. Let's go, guys. Dito, guys. Mga tropa ko, guys. What's your name? Mga Marites.
Marites number 1, Maria Clarissa.
Oh, Marites naman to.
You can call me Kim.
Kim again. So tara na, punta na tayo, guys. Oh, nagpayong ka na dyan.
Edit kayo.
Ano to? Very init. So we're going to the, guys, going to the cave with pool, guys. Pumunta tayo doon. It's going now to the cave pool. So may entrance fee siya. Yung in-avail namin is 250 for half hour. Kung mag-avail kayo ng 1 hour, guys, it's 500, diba? So tara, pasok na tayo. Let's go! Eto na siya, guys. Pasok na tayo sa cave pool. Yay! So, let's swim na, guys. Let's go!
A few minutes later.
Hey, guys. We're done in the Jurassic and we are now here in the Bulihon Beach Resort dito sa Carmen pa din, guys. So, let's explore the place. We are now here in Bulihon Beach Resort, guys. Mag-swimming na naman kami ngayon, di ba? Right, guys?
Yeah.
Very soothing. Blue water.
So, tara na, guys! We're going to swim now. Let's go!
The next day.
I don't have sleep. So, our first stop for today, we're here in Iluminada Garden Resort. So, come and join me. Let's go. Tignan natin, guys, kung ano meron doon sa loob. Oh, pasok na tayo. Our first stop. Tara, guys. Whew. It's so very cold here, guys. Grabe. Oh, no! Oh, nasa Baguio tayo ngayon. Sobrang lamig dito, guys. Grabe. The entrance fee here, guys, for adults is 50 pesos.
We are on
Iluminada. Iluminada Garden Resort
Okay.
here in Claveria, Mindanao. It's so very cold here, guys. Parang siya nasa Baguio, right?
like having an aircon outside.
Yes, look at our background here. Look at that. Say hello to the world. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Hi.
Woo! Agoy, agoy, agoy. Guys, so we're now here in Comunal Ranch here in Bukidnon. So we're gonna explore the place today. So come and join me. Let's go. Let's tour, guys. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung meron dito. Let's go.
day.
Hey guys, this is our last day here in Mindanao and we are now going home later. Mami-miss ko talaga dito guys, grabe. We really enjoyed a lot. Maybe soon babalik kami dito. I will miss the province life. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Luto lang. We are now going home later, guys.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, it's our last day here in Mindanao and we are now going home later. So before we go home, guys, nandito muna kami sa La Dulce Cafe. We need refreshment, guys. Charot, refreshment. Diba?
So hot today's weather. So we need refreshment.
Yeah, guys. We need to drink some latte. Latte. Charot lang. Latte talaga. Para naman may ano kami dito, memories. So, minamaximize na yung time namin, guys. Kasi uuwi na kami mamayang gabi. That's why pumunta kami dito. Tambay muna kami dito, guys, while waiting for the time. And, you know, we love coffee and drinks and etc. Kaya sinubukan namin dito. Okay? Di ba? Ano masasabi mo?
I can't live without coffee.
Coffee is life.
Yeah.
So this is my mango latte, guys. Is this a latte or a mango shake? Ano ba? Guys, this is my mango latte. So big, right? Super worth it lang, guys. And it's only for 139 pesos, di ba? Super worth it na. Ang dami. So, ubusin namin to. But, you know, it's less sugar. Okay pa din. Amazing! Cheers! 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 Pasok tayo, guys. Tara.
A few moments later.
Here in Butuan Airport, and nandito kami sa coffee shop. Basis Coffee Shop, guys. So, coffee na naman kami. Anong iko-coffee mo?
Ice latte.
Ano?
Ice latte.
Ice latte na naman sa kanya, guys. So, sa akin, depende. And, uuwi na kami mamaya. So, dapat sulitin talaga namin yung sobra-sobra. Ito yung airport nila. Actually, first time naming dalawa dito sa pinsan ko. Bongga kasi may coffee shop sila, guys. Look at that! See you later. Amazing! What's up? Maniga. What is that? Ano yan? Ano yan? Mocha?
White mocha.
White mocha. And this mine, low-calorie chocolate drink. And we have, what's this? 0-calorie sweetener. Oh, I love it. This is our coffee, guys. Let's drink. See you later, Cebu. Bye-bye, Butuan. Guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog ko. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. So that's it. That's all for today's video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell below para laging updated sa mga bagong videos. So see you on my next vlog, guys. Bye!